Welcome to a new video. Today, you'll learn how to create a client in the Access Pro mobile app, step by step and quickly. In the Clients section, tap Create Client to start registering a new client in the mobile app. There, you fill in the fields with the client's information, such as their name and email address. Phone number, address, city, state, tap Create Client, and that's it.
And with that, you now know how to create a client from the Access Pro mobile app. Properly registering your clients helps you stay organized and invoice more quickly and professionally. See you in the next tutorial.